So this is the separate kind of video. In this video, I will show you how to stay on comfort zone. So you can laugh, you can just laugh about hearing this type of word that uncomfort zone. Many people thought that who is who is want to going uncomfort zone. No one want to that. But if you believe me that there are many successful people they was uncomfort zone year and year again, so over and over again, exactly I mean. And how to stay uncomfort zone, that I will show you today. Uncomfort zone, so first of all you need to be obsessed. So what the meaning of obsessed? That you thinking one thing that is good, um, any good thing that good for you, that good for all of the world people. So think about that obsessed, and you stay with that obsessed, and you thinking that a specific thing entire day, and over and over, over and over, again and year, when until you get that successfully. And I would say second number is never over talking, never over laugh, never over speaking, and never blame other people meaninglessly. This make you weak, therefore not going to those people there where people is talking other people's, blame other people's mistake, all kind of thing. This make you so weak. This kind of thing I hate, you need to hate. And this kind of thing successful people never did. So number three, that I said, never criticize people, never blame. You need to take responsibility yourself. That this is my fault. I need to solve that. I never blame other people, and I want to be like that. And number four is you need to go to broke. I say that all of the around and in this world a lot of broke has, so like they want to try make money but they not get. This type of people is lot of those hasn't money and he is kind of broke. So you are lucky, you are broke. If you are broke you are like lucky. So and you need to easily get obsessed thing, good thing if you are broke. And never think that I never am going to be right position. Never think that. You need to going to you have you have physical condition, you have good mental condition, you can go your successful place. You can able to do that. Number five, uh, and number five is stay with that. What is that? Is stay with obsessed, stay with all of good thing that I said in this entire video. As you know, if you don't know, see over and over again this video, and stay with that. Learn something from your real world. I don't mean from school, don't mean that. Learn from your real world, that you're doing, that your father, that your surrounding people doing, that your parents, that your neighbor doing. Learn from them, learn from their mistake. I say that. And learn from successful people that you want to achieve, that already has been, that already one people has been achieved, that learn from them. And if you need to hire them, you can. If you need to pay him for learn how to he get this type of thing, you can pay, no problem. Learning thing, if you need to spend money, you can. because you need to learn. Without knowing nothing, you cannot do anything ever. So this video I want to improve is stay my video, so I'm trying to do that, and help me for watching my video, and I'm hoping you will stay with me forever and watching my video if you alive in in this world. So see you later. Until that, happy hunting. I'm hoping you stay good right now.